Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Apple's significant shift to a minimum of 16 gigabytes RAM in their new M4 Max. Let's explore what this means for users and the tech community. Apple has recently unveiled its M4 chip lineup, including the MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, iMac, and MacBook Air. One of the most notable changes is the increase in RAM specifications. The move to a minimum of 16 gigabytes RAM is significant. It's a response to the growing demands of software, multitasking, and heavy applications like video editing, graphic design, and gaming. With 16 gigabytes, users can expect smoother performance and better multitasking capabilities. More RAM means your machine can handle more processes simultaneously. This translates to faster load times, seamless app transitions, and a more efficient workflow. For professionals, this change is a game changer. For current users and potential buyers, this shift could influence purchasing decisions. If you're looking for a new Mac, the minimum RAM upgrade means you'll be investing in a device that's future-proofed and capable of handling advanced tasks. In conclusion, Apple's decision to make 16 gigabytes of RAM the minimum in M4 Max highlights its commitment to performance and user experience. What are your thoughts on this change? Will it affect your decision to buy a new Mac? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.